Right, okay, just a very quick video. It's the first time I did this, so I just thought I'd share because it's a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be, and I've been putting off for a long time, even though I've had the spare parts. It's the digital clock replacing the circuit board. So I've taken the rev counter out. It's just 4 screws here, here, here and here, and then the little bracket that mounts the binnacle in the dashboard, that has to come off as well. It's attached to the bottom of the rev counter. I've actually got 2 types of clock, got quite a few spares, and the display actually just clips out. I've pre-done this slightly so that I can do it with one hand. There's a little tooth here that holds the side of the circuit board on this side, and there's a little tooth on this side. You have to just, with a flat blade screwdriver and 2 hands, wiggle it down a little bit, and then once you've got them dislocated out, you can just slide out your circuit board like that. It's actually attached up here by 4 pins that just push in. So to redo it, you literally just have to put like a drawer, line it up, push it back in slowly, and then it clips. And as you see now, the side clips are located. There are 2 types. I've noticed I've got a couple of clocks here, and this one's got a different circuit board to that one, and this one's the same again. It's a bit more tighter to pull out though. Oh, yep. It's got a heat shield on this one. Again, circuit board, it's got the same pins, it's just got a heat shield over the top of it. And again, this one, a little bit tighter with the heat shield on, goes back in place, push it up. You'll see the clips here, as you push it into place, lock in. And that's just a case of refitting. Thank you.